This Nutribullet Immersion Blender arm and whisk attachment is a compact yet versatile tool designed to enhance your kitchen experience. With its 350-watt motor, variable speed control, and dual functionality, this immersion blender promises to make blending, mixing, and whisking a breeze. Whether you're whipping up smoothies, soups, or dips, this blender is designed to provide professional results with minimal effort. Let's delve into what makes the Nutribullet Immersion Blender a valuable addition to your kitchen arsenal. At just 2 inches in width and length and 16 inches in height, the Nutribullet Immersion Blender is surprisingly compact for a tool with such functionality. Its sleek, charcoal black design allows it to fit comfortably in your silverware drawer, making it easy to store without taking up much space. This compact design doesn't compromise its performance. Now, combines convenience with power. The immersion blender is built with durability in mind. The 350-watt motor body is crafted from sturdy plastic, while the stainless steel blending arm and whisk attachment ensure longevity and resistance to wear. The blender features a soft hand grip that enhances comfort during use, reducing hand fatigue and providing better control. The Nutribullet Immersion Blender offers a variable speed dial that allows you to blend at low, high, and every speed in between. This flexibility enables you to achieve the perfect texture for a variety of recipes. Whether you're making a silky smooth soup or a chunky salsa, the speed control ensures precise blending to meet your needs. 350-watt motor provides ample power for blending a range of ingredients. You can mix directly in your pot, bowl, or cup, eliminating the need for transferring ingredients and reducing cleanup time. This is especially useful for making hot soups or batters, where transferring could be messy or impractical. The Nutribullet Immersion Blender comes with 2 main attachments, the stainless steel blending arm and the whisk attachment. The blending arm is perfect for making smoothies, soups, and dips. Its sharp blades cut through ingredients effortlessly, ensuring smooth and consistent result. The whisk attachment adds another layer of versatility. It's ideal for whipping cream, beating eggs, and making fluffy mixtures. This attachment expands the blender's functionality, making it a multi-purpose tool that can handle a variety of kitchen tasks. Cleanup is straightforward with the Nutribullet Immersion Blender. After use, simply hand wash the blade and whisk in warm, soapy water. The durable plastic motor body can be wiped clean with a damp cloth. The compact size also means fewer parts to clean and store. One of the standout features of this immersion blender is its ergonomic design. The soft hand grip ensures comfortable use, even during extended blending sessions. The button control is intuitive and easy to operate, allowing for quick adjustments to the speed dial. One of the biggest advantages of using an immersion blender is the ability to blend directly in your container. This eliminates the need for transferring hot or cold ingredients, reducing the risk of spills and messes. Particularly useful for preparing soups and sauces where you want to blend while cooking. The variable speed control offers precision and control over your blending tasks. Whether you're looking for a gentle mix or a powerful blend, you can adjust the speed to suit your recipe. This versatility makes the Nutribullet Immersion Blender suitable for a wide range of culinary applications. Pros and cons. Pros: compact. Size: easy to store and handle. Durable construction, made with sturdy plastic and stainless steel. Variable speed control, allows for precise blending. Dual functionality, includes both blending and whisking capabilities. Easy cleanup, simple to disassemble and clean. Cons: hand wash only. Blade and whisk require hand washing. Limited capacity, may not be suitable for very large batches. The Nutribullet Immersion Blender arm and whisk attachment stands out for its compact size, versatile functionality, and ease of use. Its 350-watt motor, variable speed control, and dual attachments make it a valuable addition to any kitchen. Whether you're blending soups, whipping cream, or making dips, this immersion blender delivers consistent results with minimal effort. For those seeking a reliable and efficient tool for everyday blending and mixing tasks, the Nutribullet Immersion Blender is a great choice. Its combination of power, versatility, and compact design ensures that it meets a variety of culinary needs while making kitchen tasks more convenient. If you enjoyed this review, be sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.